Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickBank, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into ClickBank, open your web browser. In the search bar, type www.clickbank.com and hit enter. Wait for the ClickBank homepage to load completely. On the upper right corner of the page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your ClickBank username in the first input field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment as ClickBank verifies your information. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your ClickBank dashboard. If you encounter an error message, recheck your username and password. If you continue to have issues, consider clearing your browser cache. Another option is to try logging in from a different browser or device. Ensure that your internet connection is stable during this process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various features available to optimize your ClickBank experience. This concludes the login process for ClickBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.